we're back. We got the halves boxes. I did not see a bicentennial in this particular box, but the other box did. So let's just pull one out. Was that in 21? It's in 80, so we're good. So we're gonna go ahead and do 5 rolls. See if we can crack silver. It's been a minute since we had halves. That's why we went to quarters, so we could still hunt. Let's see what we can pull. First session of the box. Hopefully everybody's been doing good. Can't believe we're towards the end of April already. Feels like we just started. Of course, it's been crazy working on the garden. Again, getting that up. And just staying busy. Of course, I try to post or have something go up every day. So we're still managing that. A bunch of 01s. Which is good. Of course, I was thinking that we might see newer coins in 01. Some NIFCs with all this, but that was last year where it was still mass reproduced and they're not considered, not intended for circulation. I do like to change the pace doing the quarters, so I think I'm gonna stick to ordering 2 boxes of halves and a box of quarters. I think it depends on the day. I keep going back and forth in my head what I'm gonna do. Yeah. But with the quarters, I would just do more in a hunt. 98. So we're gonna see what happens. Obviously, I got 2 boxes, so we're gonna do 1 full hunt on the other box. When I do get to it. So we'll see what I end up deciding to do when I turn it all in and ask for more. But the somebody green worked on Irish bar with a jukebox. Let's see what happens then. Always a fan going through different things, and since I did have that W coin, I am thinking more highly of quarters. Could just be because of the success. Two more to go. I don't see anything crazy on the top as I just peer in casually. Like, I don't think anyone's going to be an ender. Those ones I couldn't really tell with the lighting. So, could be on the other side. Oh, there we go. Here's a 12. Could be on the other side, but never know till we get through. Of course, I'm fresh off of the bank telling me they had $6 in silver sitting for me. Which was super, super nice. Don't know that they care. Wife often asks that, like, why would they just give you that? Most people don't want to go through the trouble, I guess. Or they don't know or care. But that's just what I think. It could be totally wrong. Could just be they don't know. But either way, their loss, our gain. I got the mead still brewing. Haven't tasted it yet. I just hear it bubbling. It was a fun day picking dandelions and putting that all together. Get a lot of dandelions. I decided to do it. Heard good things. We'll see. I heard more about wine, but I didn't want to use a lot of sugar, so I used honey instead. So we'll see how it comes out. But for now, that's 3 rolls up. Got 1 in IFC and got a whole box to hunt. I'll catch you guys in the next one.